Hi everyone, I'm Travis, co-founder of HumbleBear. I'm really excited to share something we have been working on, HumbleBear 3.0. We've been listening closely to your feedback. We've built something that's gone way beyond just a CRM. And we knew HumbleBear was a great CRM, but we wanted to create a complete productivity tool. That's what 3.0 is all about. We are moving beyond just managing customers to help you manage your entire business workflow. Let's talk about space. This is a game changer. Forget those rigid boards you used to. Space are fully customizable hubs. You can use them for sales pipeline, project management, HR, anything you need. It's like having multiple specialized workspaces all in one place. And the card within those spaces, they are packed with new features. We added subtasks, metric tracking, file attachment, and even team chat right within the card. But that's not all. We also included powerful reminder and recurring creation features. Need to be reminded for a deadline? Set a reminder. Have a task that repeats? Set it to recur automatically. This way, nothing slips through the cracks. And to make sure you're always on top of things, HumbleBear 3.0 now comes with enhanced notification features. Get notified instantly about updates, assignments, and reminders. And you never miss a beat. For our Malaysian users, we have simplified LHDN e-invoicing. We know compliance can be a headache, so we have made it easy to generate and manage e-invoices directly within HumbleBear 3.0. Look, we built HumbleBear 3.0 to solve real problems. We wanted to give you a tool that's helped you streamline your workflow, boost your productivity, scale your business more efficiency, and make collaboration a breeze. We redesigned the interface to be more intuitive, so you can focus on what matters most, grow your business. Ready to see how HumbleBear 3.0 can transform your business? Visit our website to start your free trial today. We are confident you will see how it's more than just a CRM. It's your complete productivity solution. Thanks for watching.